Hey everyone! So today I just wanted to show you a quick and simple hair tutorial that was actually inspired by JLo. She wore it when she was signing autographs one time. I don't know what event it was for or anything, but yeah, so I just kind of recreated that look. It's I call it a bird's nest bun because it kind of looks like really messy and a bird's nest, but I like it and I try to recreate it. So yeah, we'll get started. And by the way guys, I'm in my bathroom, so I don't know if it's a bit echoey. By the way guys, I'm in my bathroom, so I don't know if it's a bit echoey in like the actual video, so that's where I am, my bathroom. Okay, so first you want to brush your hair so that knots are all out of it. And then you want to brush it all back into a high ponytail and make sure there's no lumps and it's smooth as, especially in this front area. So just want to brush it all back into a high ponytail. And then it helps to flip your head over as well and brush from the back. And that gets it super high. And then you want to tie your hair, obviously, with a hair tie. Just in a ponytail. Make sure it's pretty tight. Okay. So we got that on. Now, because I have bangs and everything, I'm probably just going to pin that back. But I'll do that later. You can hairspray this or mousse. There's like a mousse. Yeah, we can mousse it back so before you tie it up in a ponytail, so like all of it's all sleek back if you want that kind of look. But I'm just going to hairspray it later on. Okay, so now you want to grab a teasing comb. I got this one for $5 at Priceline, and I'm pretty sure you can get it really cheap. But anyway, you just want to grab sections of the actual ponytail and start to tease. And also, if it's easier to do this when your hair's not straight out of the shower and washed. But if it is, it doesn't matter. Oh, the sun's gone down. I look so blue. Anyway, if it is, it doesn't matter because you can just tease and then hairspray, and then that will keep it in place anyway. So you basically just want to tease the whole ponytail. Until it looks all crazy like this. And then, so we got out that all teased, and I just want to go over and tease it again. So it's extra puffy and volumize the bun. Okay, so now we got it kind of looking like an afro. You just want to kind of hairspray all the tease parts so it actually stays. And now, okay, so you want to bunch it all together. It's kind of like fairy floss, so what you want to do is just kind of swirl it around till you get it all bundled together until it forms a bun. And then it's pretty easy, this part, creating the bun. Then you just pin, bobby pin, really anywhere to make sure it's secured. And with this whole look, you kind of want a big bun, not really a small one, so, and a kind of like a cone as well. So. And it's good to have fluffy bits up here as well to make it look extra messy. Okay, so now you're going to grab your hairspray again and then hairspray all this front part back. And also the back. So you want to, ow! So you just want to get those flyaways, like here, I have them. Then you can brush them up. Maybe you can see better here. And then I'm just bobby pinning my bangs. So it's just super sleek because you want that look. Sleek here and then all messy and tucked in here. So, and then you can always just play around with it and suit it to your likings. So that's all for the tutorial. I'm pretty sure it's pretty quick and easy to do. So yeah, I like it personally. It's pretty extravagant though. It's really hot in here. But yeah, I like it. It's really unusual. That hairspray killed me. But yeah, I reckon it's super cool. Yeah. So this is the hair. Ow. I keep hitting my elbow on that. But yeah, I hope you liked it. And make sure to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully with Alicia. I know we haven't been doing much videos together, and that's just purely because we obviously don't live in the same house, we're just friends, and we don't have that much time to, you know, catch up. And yeah, so we'll do like videos together, but then again we'll have our separate videos where it's just, you know, we're just doing ones by ourselves. But yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and yeah, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!